How to fix 30 days on ship crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your library, go to properties, and then go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this, and then you want to go to the installed files. So it should look similar to this one right here, installed files, and then click on verify the integrity of game files, and then wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the game's exe file, right click on it, and then open up the properties window, go to compatibility and check both of these options at the bottom right here, click on OK. Now you want to close this and then open up your GPU app. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and check for the latest updates and make sure to install the latest game ready driver. And once you do that, you will need to restart your computer. And simply after restarting your computer, before opening up the game, you should right click on Steam and run it as administrator. And after that, you should simply launch the game, and that should solve the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.